How to delete your Gardenscapes account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Gardenscapes account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course you having the app. So you can easily get the Gardenscapes app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. So after you get the app, all you now need to do is open it up. After you open it up, this is what the initial page is gonna look like. It might differ from people to people. And after you're here, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, make sure that you're on the settings panel here. And now all you need to do is tap on this eye icon that looks like eye here. Tap on it, and right here you'll see the delete account option. Now tap on delete account and you can just read all of this here. And after you understand the terms and conditions, tap on delete account. Tap on it again, and here you will need to type OK. So make sure that you type it on capital letters and then tap on OK. Now, yeah, that is basically it. Now, right here you will see you have accessed the game for an account that's currently being deleted. To cancel the account deletion, tap on deletion. Now, let's not do that. Head over to support. And yeah, you can just leave the game now. You can simply cross it out. And yeah, that is how you delete your account on Gardenscapes app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.